we have to talk about AMD stock. It is starting to pay off with our long-term shares. We have made many videos on it, our most popular videos, but the past couple months we have been getting amazing dips on AMD, and we have been buying the dip. The chart is looking absolutely amazing, which we are going to be talking about in this video. We're breaking the downtrend and going for all-time highs as Nvidia has already created new time highs. We have to talk about the market cap and how AMD is really lagging behind Nvidia. Nvidia is all the way at the top while AMD sitting right over here, 63rd place. We're going to be talking about AI. This is really the worst that AI is right now, and it only gets better from here. So AMD is going to be a long-term investment for me, like 10 years, shares, not doing any options. And just like we had all these tech companies and whatnot with amazing investment opportunities, AMD and both Nvidia are going to be great investments for AI and the AI revolution. So let's get started in this video. The first thing that I want to talk about is the market cap. You really have to understand this, how big Nvidia is. Nvidia right now is the biggest company in the world, sitting at $3.7 trillion. This is pricing in the future of AI. So this CEO is just absolutely killing it. And this is a really nice chart of the levels of AI that we're going to see in the next couple years. So generative AI, this is going to be something like ChatGPT, creating posters, animations, and videos, the Studio Ghibli stuff. We have agentic AI, which is going to be like customer support, actually, programming and coding. We're going to have physical AI, so these are going to be autonomous vehicles, which we're already seeing in Austin, Texas, and San Francisco by Waymo. Those are absolutely amazing futures, and all AI is going to require heavy computer powers. So we have Nvidia and we have AMD. Now the thing about AMD is AMD is really lagging behind. So market cap $3.7 trillion. If we take a look at AMD, AMD is only at $232 billion. So AMD is 6% of the market cap of Nvidia. That is how much AMD is lagging behind Nvidia. So that is why I'm personally going with AMD, because it has a lot more room to go up with higher risk for sure. Now, we have many collaborations with AMD and Tesla, which is good. We have a bunch of cyber cabs, and if you know about Austin, Texas, you have Model Ys, going around, which is really cool. All of this is going to be benefiting AMD, especially with XAI or Grok. Elon Musk also uses AMD GPUs, which is good. So very good news for both AMD and Nvidia right over here. So think about the next 10 years. Now let's go over here on the chart, because the chart is looking absolutely amazing for AMD right now. So Nvidia is already creating all-time highs, and we're starting to break that roof that it created last year of November. Now with Nvidia, it looks even better. So this is going to be the 12-month chart or 1-year chart. So each one of these candlesticks is 1 year. And just take a look at this consolidation over here. This consolidation is absolutely amazing. For the past 5 years, AMD has been trading sideways. Absolutely just trading sideways. So we have been getting dips. I personally, my average, I've been getting dips at $120, and I got some pretty good, buying opportunities at $90, which has been absolutely amazing for the past couple of weeks. And we could see this is really the takeoff zone over here. Past 5 years, we have been just trading sideways. 148 is this roof. If we close above, we're pretty much going for all-time highs. Now let's take a look at the weekly time frame, because the weekly time frame, recently we just broke out of all-time high. We just broke out of this downtrend, and that is why we have been getting this huge move to the upside. So this alone is a 10% candle. This is a 10% candle. This is a volatility that you can expect. So I'm already up 20% at least on my AMD stock, and that wasn't even the best entry for AMD. Okay, we have made many videos on here. So we're taking a look at that over here. Even a entry right now to all-time highs, we're talking about a 60% return. Now let's go back to the 12-month chart. Let's erase our charts over here and then take a look at Nvidia. And it is just absolutely insane how much AMD has really been lagging behind Nvidia. So Nvidia just hit all-time highs over here. We're breaking records, and AMD is following. Okay, so AMD is following. We have also other semiconductor stocks which are sort of lagging behind. We have the semiconductor ETF, but we could see that they're whole pretty much following the market. But imagine 5 years from now, imagine 2 years from now, 3 years from now, imagine 10 years from now, how much smarter AI will get and how much demand for these chips will be. And this chips is sort of like the selling the shovel instead of the gold. All these AI companies need Nvidia, need AMD, and that is why Nvidia is probably one of the biggest companies right now. So that's a quick update on AMD, the second biggest position in my account, and I'm going to be holding on for 5 to 10 years as a long-term investment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later.